So you want to learn how to automate Twitter and send automatic tweets and messages to people that do some particular actions to your account or to your accounts about retweeting, about mentioning, putting on lists and so on and so forth. Stay tuned because the video that follows is a recording I had this morning on Facebook Live about showing exactly how to add StatusBrew events, okay, to react to what happens on your profiles. Make sure you watch the following video. It's it's simple and it can definitely help you save a lot of time to have Twitter automation through StatusBrew for your accounts. Niko here from Papadopoulo.com, inspired to live free, and today I'm helping you with Twitter. Enjoy the video that follows. Hello, Niko here from Papadopoulo.com. How is everybody doing today? Let me know where you are coming from, where you are connecting from, and how's things on your part of the globe. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Twitter and actually about, let me mute my phone again, about some automation functionalities in Twitter through StatusBrew. It's a very cool application that you can learn and use and save a lot of time towards building your Twitter following and interacting with Twitter, with other Twitter followers and Twitter users and everything. It's very powerful, super powerful actually. So let me make sure I can share my screen and get right into the subject. You should be able to see my screen now, I believe, so that should be good. And this is in the audience section of StatusBrew. Okay, you need to come all the way at the bottom, right, on the compass section, and click the arrow to bring it up. Okay, and then you need to go on Rule Builder. Okay, Rule Builder is where we're going to talk just a little bit right now. As you can see, I have a couple of rules. That doesn't matter. We can create a new rule. Just click on the blue button over there. Okay, you can read these things out. It's good to read it. But basically they say that you can actually, through events, trigger some reactions through your profile. For example, let's create a new rule called retweet to, since I have one already. As you can see here, you need to select an event for your rule. What will happen in order for it to send something out, to take some actions? Okay, what happens when something happens? StatusBrew is going to react to that, and you program it here. You can program it to react to a follow, to a mention, if somebody put you on a Twitter list, if somebody retweets you. That's what I'm going to select right now. Then I click next. Okay, you can read it out. It's very simple. That's the name of the rule that I just created. Now you can select some filters. Okay, and if you are familiar with following and unfollowing functionalities, these are similar filters. Let's say I want to activate this rule when the person that retweeted my content had, I don't know, let's say more than 5,000 followers. Okay, has more than 5,000 followers to 10 million. No why. All right. Number of followings. Yeah. Maybe I don't care. I don't care maybe about lists. You can select that. Maybe the age group, if you want to select that. How many tweets per day? Maybe I want to make sure that this guy has more than 10 tweets per day. If there is a ratio between the followers and his followers or her followers, if they tweeted, how long ago did they tweet? I want it to have tweeted, daily, let's say. If you have any tags, because I have multiple accounts, I created a tag. With my account, with my other account. So because I'm mentioning each account from each other, I don't want to be sending a thank you retweet all the time for the same account. Make sense? So you can create that. Then you select the demographic filters. If you want to be all profiles or private, let's say I want it to be public. If there is a verified or a non-verified profile, for sure I want it to be verified. If there is a profile image or not, I do want to have it a profile image. You can play with this. If there is a profile URL, let's say, yes, it does need to have a profile URL. For sure not to be a zombie. I put zombies only, huh? Not to be a zombie, okay? I don't care about the time zone. I don't care about the languages. And then I click next. Okay, it brought me on rule actions. Now, what do I want it to do? I want it to send a message, okay, a direct message to that person. Thank you. I want to use their name. You come down here on their first name. You click there. It copies it in the clipboard. That code, very neat feature there. Thank you, their first name, for the retweet. Much appreciated. Okay, something like that. You can add that. You can add more messages and it's going to rotate. Then you can you can also mention the user in a tweet so they will see it publicly as a tweet. You can write it there. You can write the same thing, let's say, but I don't know, thanks. And because it's going to be a mention, you need to put the Twitter handle. You see it says it's there as well. So you copy and paste the Twitter handle code, and thanks their Twitter handle for the retweet. You can say something like that. You can add more text to it. You can click add. All right, you can add more options, so it's going to rotate between more retweets. Let's say I want to have, I don't know, maybe up to 10 of them, 10 tweets of that per day. You can add that person into a tag. You can create a new tag, or to a list, and you can create a new list. And of course, you can whitelist that person if you want to. Okay, then you click save. Hey Susan, I didn't notice your comment. Sorry about that. I was focused on teaching these things. Hope you are doing great over there. So you can see that's my rule, the retweet to rule. I can disable it, I can delete it, I can edit it and go back into it and fix it if I don't like it. So something to make something for sure to have a note of is if you are using multiple accounts, you don't want to be sending tweets or messages to your other accounts. So make sure you apply the different filters wisely, and you can use these rules to do a lot of things. I mean, just look at it here. If I click again on create new rule, just to re-emphasize it, you can have automations, and that's the key here. You save time through automations. You can have automations from StatusBrew about your followers, about the mentions, about those that put you on a list, and about those that retweeted your content. Okay, very, very powerful features that they have included in the StatusBrew functionalities. I use it very much. It's amazing. So if you want to save time, you can use these rules for sure. Very, very powerful. That's basically what I wanted to share with you. Yeah, that's about it. That's very straightforward. You can play with it. You can create and modify your rules based on the nature of how you want to apply them, and make sure you test them and everything is okay. You don't want to be tweeting the wrong things to the wrong persons, to the wrong people, so on. If you have any questions on this, just send me a message and I'll be very happy to help you out. I use Twitter extensively, and of course StatusBrew very much. You can send me a message here on Facebook, or you can also visit my homepage and you can connect with me there. That's the URL, nikopapadopoulo.com. It's long, I'm not going to spell it. You can see it. If you are watching the replay, or if you are watching the YouTube video of this recording, for sure my information are on the left and right screen of this video. Thank you very much again for watching. I hope you are having an amazing, a super exciting day today as well. This was a short video about how to use the functionalities, the rule builder functionalities of StatusBrew. I hope you are having an amazing day again. Niko here from nikopapadopoulo.com, inspired to live free. Be good, have fun, and God bless.